Hi, welcome to CIDC Nirman. I'm Jayashree Kurup. I'm editor CIDC Nirman, and I have with me Mr. Gautam Suri of InterArch Building Products Limited. Thank you so much for joining us, sir.
Thank you, Jayashree. Thank you for having me here.
Sir, first of all, congratulations on winning the award, the CIDC Vishwakarma Award.
I'm honored for being selected for this.
Tell us about the project, sir.
Well, InterArch has been in business for 40 years now.
Yeah.
We started it from scratch. And more than the projects, what I'm proud about InterArch is that we have changed the face of the architectural industry in many ways. We were first movers with metal roofing, then with pre-engineered buildings, and now we have moved on to being much more than pre-engineered building manufacturers, but we do complex projects, large projects like this. Varanasi project is not a pre-engineered building per se. It's a very complex structure, which was done pre-engineered, that means manufactured in the plant and erected site, to achieve that kind of quality of finish and work and the speed and timelines. InterArch has done over 6,000 projects today countrywide. We have 3 manufacturing plants, over 2,000 employees.
Okay.
And we are very proud to be the leaders and front runners in the industry. We are appreciated and valued for our customer service, for the quality of our work, and for our professionalism and ethics.
Right. So, when you talk about pre-engineered structures, they have to be pre-engineered close to the work site, or they can be pre-engineered anywhere and then transported?
Pre-engineered is never at the work site. We don't do any on-site.
I meant close to the work site.
No, it doesn't have to be. All our plants are at different places. The transportation is not a major cost impact, and it is manufactured in plants and then shipped to work sites for bolt-on assembly.
Okay.
There is no on-site fabrication.
Okay. And how much does it reduce, crunch the time taken to?
Time is extremely fast. I mean, even we recently finished the largest plant building in India, in Chennai. It's a 300,000 square meter building under one roof, which was finished in 9 months and handed over.
Okay.
So that's the kind of speed you get.
Why don't more people go for pre-enginered? It's a complex process.
More people are going for pre-engineered, especially for industrial, warehousing. It is a little slow to catch up in the infrastructure because people still prefer to go with cement and concrete. Steel is used for certain complex things when they have no way out, because on paper steel appears more expensive, but then the time saving and convenience and minimum disruption to the surroundings, to the environment, to even urban areas. If you're doing a flyover, you can do a flyover in overnight rather than disrupt the crossing for 3 weeks or 3 months.
Right, right.
That's the advantage of steel.
Do we have enough technical know-how among engineers?
Oh yes, the industry is very advanced. I mean, we have many companies in our industry today, and we ourselves have a strong engineering team of over 150 engineers in-house, and we do all kinds of complex structures ourselves.
Do you have a manpower crunch in the industry today?
No,
You
I
don't.
can't say. The manpower crunch is more at the erection site. You know, it is seasonal. Holi, Diwali, the workers go away. Otherwise, on the whole, there is no crunch as such. But we need more trained manpower. So we are concentrating on ourselves also, and also with the help of CIDC, with the ITI, to train people, because our work is skilled work. We don't need workers, we need skilled operators for all the work they do.
Right. And this is an ongoing process, or you do it in
No,
camps?
ongoing. Training is an ongoing process. It's an important part of our corporate philosophy. Ongoing process, training our directors, training fresh people, training them to be good welders, because we need welders. Welding is a very important part of our manufacturing category. And to get skilled welders, they're in shortage. So we get freshers, then we train them, try them out, make them like apprentices, and then bring them up to a certain skill level so they can be qualified.
Will you also be participating in the BVOC programs so that your workforces can?
We've been talking about it. My CEO, Mr. Garg, is in touch with the organization, so we are working on that.
Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much for having me here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.